First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So this special data interpretation video are specially made for the students, those who are going for a CAT level exam, as well as students those who are going for a bank mains exam. So in those exams you can able to see a very difficult data interpretation. So in order to crack that, I will be posting these kinds of difficult data interpretation videos. So do not forget to watch all my videos, but remember one important thing: before watching this video you have to know this: the same data interpretation question what I am going to teach now is available as a test. So first visit my website or my mobile application. There in a quantitative aptitude session you can able to see at the last data interpretation bracket mains. So inside that, the same question what I am going to teach in this set available as a test. First write the test and check what is your score, whether you are getting 5 out of 5 or you can't able to understand the DA itself. So first write the test. After writing the test, come and watch this video for solution. Without writing a test, if you watch this video completely, 100% the video will be useless, no use. So first write the test and analyze what is the mistake that you have done, where you have done the mistake, and then watch this video, right? Definitely it will be helpful for the students, those who are going for CAT exams and bank mains exam. So let me move on to all the difficult data interpretation question on these types of videos. So friends, now let me move on to the second mains level data interpretation question. So I hope you have taken the same question as a test. So if you got 5 out of 5, extremely good, and if you can't able to score even 1, then you have to practice more, right? First try to understand the chart what they have given, what are all the values they have given, because here they have given a table chart, right, and some of the values are missing. So remember that there are two type of data interpretation missing DA. One, initially by reading the passage above the chart. So you have to read the passage and you have to fill the values, missing values in the DA. And the second missing DA is some of the values will be missing, right? By reading the 5 question under that chart, usually we used to solve. By reading the question, we have to fill the values in the chart. There are two models, right? So if you keep on practicing many tough level questions, you may understand that logic, right? So here you can able to see department has been given, marketing, finance, account, and all the values are proportion value 0.6, 0.45. By seeing a value, do not get confused. For example, if the females are, in case I am saying, if the female they have given as 60%, total will be 1200. How will you calculate? You will find for 1200 what is 60%? That will be the female person, right? But here they have given a value in terms of proportion, nothing but same, right? 1200. You have to, again, you have to multiply, just direct multiply 1200 into 0.60, you will get the answer, right? So this is the way, right? Proportion values will be given. So do not confuse by seeing the numbers. You have to directly multiply it. That's it, right? Okay. So now before above the chart they have given one passage. What is the passage they have given? So the table given below shows the proportion of female employee and the proportion of postgraduates. So postgraduates value has been proportion, that number has been given, as well as female value has been given. So below that you can able to see total is also given, right? So there are 1200 employees in a company. So out of which 70% are finance department and the rest are divided into marketing and account department. So what they are saying is out of 1200 employees, so we got the total employees how much? 1200. So out of this 1200 employee, where 70% of employee are in the finance department, right? Yes, they are, yes, finance department. First let me find what is 70%. So 840. So 840 will be the total number of employees in the finance department. So first what you have to do is spend 3 minutes of time to completely draw a new tabular column. That will help you to solve all the 5 questions under this passage. Why? Because some of the values are missing here. We have to find the value. And the female marketing values are also not directly given. They have given in terms of proportion. So better what you need to do is we can frame a new tabular column. That is easy actually. So marketing, finance, accounts, right? So now what they are saying is we can keep this as a total, right? So total, this will be total and this will be a female, and this will be postgraduate. So now according to the question, 840 will be the total number of employees in which department? Finance department. So finance department is 840. And what they said is, and the remaining rest, which is remaining, right? So rest is divided equally among marketing department and account department. So 840 finance. So subtract 840, 1200, resultant will be 360. Right? So 360 is remaining, and this 360 is divided equally. So we can say that 180 will be marketing department, 180 will be accountant department. Right? So this is the first data what they have given. And the second is the proportion of male employee in each department is equals to postgraduate employee in each department. So what they are saying is, in the chart they didn't give any value about a male employees. But here in the third point what they have given is the male employee and the postgraduate employee both are equal. So here we have written a postgraduate, so here we can draw another column called male. So whatever values that we are putting in this tabular column for postgraduate, the same value we have to apply it for male also, because both are same. So postgraduate and male both are same. So now what we can do is, according to the chart, so postgraduate is 0.45, right? So finance postgraduate, just look at the value, 0.45 is the postgraduate finance. And we know what about the total? 840. So 840 into 0.45. Friends, understood or not? So 840 into 0.45, the resultant value will be the total number of postgraduates in finance. Right? So let me find out what is the answer. So 840, 45 by 100, 0 here. Cancel it on 5 table. 9 5s are 45, 2 times 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 36, 37. So 378. So 378 will be the total number of postgraduates of postgraduates in a finance department. So the remaining will be the female, right? So 840 minus 378. So 400, 600, 462. So 462 will be the total number of female employees in the finance department. So we got postgraduate 378. If postgraduate is 378, the male will also be 378. That's what they have given in the question directly itself. The proportion of male employee in each department is equal to the postgraduate employee in each department. So whatever values that we are getting in a postgraduate is equal to the male postgraduate, male employees postgraduate, right? So 378 is postgraduate, so male, total number of male will be 378. So if you add female and the male, you should get a total of 840. So similarly, finding the remaining values is also easy, right? So marketing is how much? 0.60. So female marketing is 0.60. The proportion value. So what you need to do is, you have to multiply 180 into 0.60. 8 6 are 40, 8 4, 108, right? So 108 will be the total number of females. If 108 is the total number of females, when you subtract 180 minus 108, which will be 72. So 72, because postgraduate and male both are same. So similarly, 180 here. And accountants is how much? 0.55. 0.55 is accountant proportion value. So you have to multiply 180 into 0.55. 55 by 100. 99. Yes. So 99 for easy multiplication, right? What I did is 0.55, converted the decimal into a normal value, 55 by 100, by removing the decimal point, and then I have cancelled to find the answer, right? So 99 will be the total number of females. So the remaining will be how much? 81. Yes, 81. So 81 will be the remaining postgraduate as well as the remaining males. So friends, that's it. So finally what we did is, we have drawn a separate tabular column to understand, and we completely understand what is the given chart values, and then some of the values are missing. So what we did is, we initially take some time to draw a new tabular column, right, by fixing all the values. So finally we found all the values in the table chart. I think now solving the 5 question under the chart will be easy. So follow this procedure, right? So always if you see some of the values are missing in the chart, spend some time initially 3 or 4 minutes to fill that incompleted values. After filling the chart or after drawing a new tabular column, so you will definitely feel easy to solve all the 5 questions under this chart, right? So now let me move on to this 5 question what they have given under the chart. First question. So if in the marketing department 25% of the postgraduates are female, then what is the difference between number of male postgraduates in marketing department and that of female employees who are not postgraduate in a marketing department, right? So just see here friends, our target is to find the difference for two value. One value is the total number of male employees who are postgraduate. So to the difference of the total number of female employees who are not postgraduate. And initially they have given 25% of postgraduates are females. Okay. So friends, first listen here, this is we have filled all the values in the chart, right? So the problem here is we know the total. We know the total number of female employees as well as we know the total number of male employee, but only confusion will be the postgraduate. Why? Because this 72 is the total number of postgraduates in the marketing department, but inside this 72 people employees, we don't know how many male are there, how many female are there. Yes or no, right? Because we know the total female is 108 and male is 72, but this 72 will be out of total 180, 72 will be postgraduate. But this 72, inside the 72 employees, actually we don't know how many male are there and how many female are there. Okay, so first point what they have given is 25% of the postgraduates are female. So if 25% of postgraduates are female, then the remaining 75% will be, what to say, they are not from the from the females I am saying, from the total, right? Just see, if 25% of postgraduates are female, if 25 of the total as postgraduates are female, then the remaining will be 75%. 75% will be 75 by 100, so which will be 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 will be the total number of females who are not postgraduate, right? So how many females are here? 108. So out of this 108, if 3 by 4 are not postgraduate, so we can find 4 2s are 8, remaining will be 2, 7 4s are 28, 7 3s are 21, right? Remaining will be 2, 3 2s are 6, 7 8. So 81 will be the total number of females who are not postgraduate. So finally we found one value. Why? Because if 25% of the females are postgraduate, then the remaining will be non-postgraduate, right? So what I can do is, if 25 out of 100, so remaining 75 will be the total number of females who are not a postgraduate. So we already know that how many females are there. So out of 108 females, that's out of 108 females, so what is 75% of it? 75 will be 81. So 81 will be the total number of females who are not postgraduate. So finally we found one value. So now what is the next value that we need to found is the number of male postgraduate in marketing department. So we have to find that value. So number of male postgraduate in the marketing department. Okay, so totally how many male are here? 72 males are here. So out of this 72 male, right? So what we need to do is, we need to find, we have to eliminate this females, right? So out of 108, first we can find 25 by 100. So this will be 4 times. So 1 4s are 4. So the 4 2s are 8. Remaining will be 2, 27. So this will be 72, 27. So 37, 47, 57, 67. 3 4 5, so 45, right? So friends, understood or not, right? How I found the value 45. Just see here, we know the postgraduate total is how much? 72, right? So postgraduate total is 72. Out of this 72, we have male as well as female, both are inside the 72. So we have to eliminate the females, only then we know how many male postgraduates are there. In order to eliminate the females from 72, we already know that 25% of females are postgraduate. So out of this 108, I have found what is 25%. So out of this 108, 25%, after finding the value, I am subtracting with the postgraduate total. So the remaining value will be the total number of males. So total number of males who are postgraduate, total number of females who are not a postgraduate. So now we need to find the difference. So 45 minus 81. So 45 minus 81 will be 81 minus 45, 36, right? So 36 will be the answer for the first question. So friends, understood, right? So the thing here is you should understand the concept, right? Concept of the question properly, as well as after filling all the values in the chart, you have to analyze the chart, because we know the females, we know the males, we as well as know the postgraduate, but the only problem in the chart is inside the postgraduates, we don't know how many males and how many females are there. So only based upon the question we can able to find how many males are there and how many females are there inside the postgraduate. Right? So initially they have given if 25% of females are postgraduate. So what we did, so remaining 75, if 25 are postgraduate, then definitely remaining 75 will not be the postgraduate females. So I have found what is the 75% of female, which is 81. So I have found this number 81 will be the total number of females who are not postgraduate. And secondly, we have to find the total number of males who are postgraduate. So for finding that, from the total postgraduate, I have to eliminate the females. So from the total 72, I have subtracted the female postgraduates. So 25% of the female are postgraduate. So 108, I have found what is 25 and subtracted with 72, resultant will be 45. So this 45 will be the total number of male who are postgraduates. So according to the question, we have to find the difference for two value. So difference for two value will be 36. So once understood, right? So friends, this will be the answer for question number 1. So question number 2. So what percent of employees in the marketing department are postgraduates? So our target is to find what percentage of employee in the marketing department are postgraduate. Actually, marketing department postgraduate are 72. But we know the value is 72. But what the question they are asking is we need to find in terms of percentage. So how many percentage of people are there in the postgraduates in the marketing department? So it is very easy. We have to find for this 180 total, 72 is what percentage? That's it. That's the question, right? So we have to find what percentage of postgraduate and marketing department. The meaning here is out of total 180 people, this 72 people postgraduate are how many percentage? It's very easy. Just write 72 people out of how much people? 180. So out of 180 people total, right, we have 72 people as a postgraduate. So we have to find the answer in terms of percentage into 100, right? So 0, 0 here, 18, 4, so 40%. Easy question, right? So we can say that answer for question number 2 is 40%, right? So always remember that if we need to find the total percentage, overall percentage, all are very simple. So what is the value that we need to find, and divided by always the total of the total employee of the department, or else based upon the question, even the total employee of the whole company. So read the question properly. If we need to find the percentage value, it is easy to always divide by the denominator number. Denominator number, either it can be the same department total employee, or else the total employee of the total 3 companies. So read the question properly and you can easily solve it. Third question. So what is the ratio of number of postgraduates in account department? So postgraduate in account department is 81, right? So we need to find a ratio, right? I think it's a direct question. So 81 is the total number of postgraduate in accountant department to the number of postgraduate in marketing department. So postgraduate in marketing department. So this is the marketing department. Postgraduate will be 72. So we need to find a ratio. I think it's a direct question. So we can cancel it on 9 table. 9 9s are 81. So 9 7s are, 9 8s are 72. Okay. So answer for the question number 3 will be 9:8. So fourth question. So what they have given is find the difference between the number of postgraduate employee in the finance department. So postgraduate employee in the finance department will be 378. Finance department, number of female employee in the accountant department. So accountant department female employee is how much? 99. So we just want to find the difference, right? So difference of two numbers. I think all the question are easy actually, right? Only thing is the chart takes time, right? So first let me find the difference. 378 and 99. 279, right? 279. 1, 9, 10, 17, 1. Yes, 279. So 279 will be the difference, right? So what about the next question? I think next question will also be easy. Find the percentage of female employee in the finance department. So female employee in the finance, find the percentage of, so we need to find the percentage, like similar to the second or third question what we solved. So find the percentage of female employee in the finance department. So finance department female will be 462. So always we need to, if we need to find the percentage, how much percentage this 462 is, you have to divide by the total number of employee in the department. Total number of employees how much? 840. So 462 divided by 840 into 100. Two times, which will be 5. 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 142, 4, 1, 55. So answer will be 55% for the last question. So friends, that's it. I won't say it's a very difficult DI, right? But according to me, you have learned something newly, right? If you make any mistakes on the test series, I hope now you understood what is the mistakes that you have done, right? Always remember that making a mistake while learning is not at all an issue, right? At least now you have to understand the concept, because the same question is not going to ask in any of your exams, right? It is 100% true. The same question, same value or same concepts question, it's not going to be in your CAT exam, or it's not going to be in your bank mains exam. But the concepts what they are going to ask can be same, right? Because the proportion value, so here we found the proportion, how to find the proportion value, right? Inside the postgraduate you have to understand that how many males are there, how many females are there. So similarly, just try, right? Inside this postgraduate finance department, just try how many males will be there, how many females will be there. So without knowing the percentage you can't, but in case just like that, you take some values, 35% of total are females who are postgraduates, then you just find how many male postgraduates will be there, how many female postgraduates will be there, how many male who are not postgraduates, how many female who are not postgraduates, right? So you have to know how to find all these values in the chart, right? So concepts are always important. Each and every question what I'm going to teach you for this CAT exams, bank mains level exam, first write the test. Again I am saying, by just watching the video you can't able to learn anything. First you write the test, understand what is the mistakes that you are doing, where you can't able to proceed to solve the next step, and then come and watch this video. So at that point you can able to understand what is the mistakes that you have done. So that's the reason initially I was telling you again and again, write the test first. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. I will be teaching you difficult, all difficult, medium difficult level for your competitive exams. Sure, I think I've taken 30 DA, data interpretation. I will be teaching you all the 30 DA. So after teaching the 30 DA, you know, like all the concepts of quantitative aptitude, you can able to understand that small values. So once you understand that, solving that exam difficult level question will be very easy. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you really like it, share the video to your friends, those who are preparing for the competitive exams. So thank you so much for watching it. Bye.